Describe the people who lived in the Philippines and how the first houses were made.
I know. So, first, we're gonna talk about the Negritos. They're short, black, and also they live on caves and also under trees. They only know how to hunt, no planting. They don't know how to make. They don't know how to build. Second, the Indonesians. Tall and brown. They know how to make baskets and make clay pots. The Indonesians are the first one to make the bahay kubos, to make the houses for the Philippines. Now, the last one, the Malays. Now, we're gonna talk about the Malays. So, they're small and brown, and they're the ones who make they're the ones who make houses on boats. They're the ones who gather all the plants. They gather all the plants that they're grown. So that's it. Pack your bag. Let's go home.